In this video, I'm going to explore the life cycle of the dataset. There is many datasets that can use in your enterprise, and then you can put rules behind this life cycles to, for example, to delete the folder, to put the hot tier to the cold tier, or to the archive, or to reuse your data. So stay with me in this video to have more detailed Azure Blob Storage life cycle.
Datasets have unique life cycles. Early in a life cycles, people access same data often, but the need of the access drops drastically as the data ages. Some data stays idle in the cloud and it's rarely accessed on the store. Some data expire date or month after creation. While offered datasets are actively read and modified through their lifetime. For the access tier, Azure Storage offers a different access tier, allowing you to store a blob object data in the most cost-effective manner available. In this way, the hot optimized for the storing data that is accessed frequently. The cool optimized for storing data that is frequently accessed and stored for the latest 13 years. Archive optimized for storing data that is rarely accessed and stored for the latest 118 years, with the flexible latency requirements and the order of hours. The following consideration apply to the different access tier. The access tier can be set on a blob during or after the upload. Only the hot and cool access tier can be set at the account level. The archive access tier can only be set at the blob level. Data in the cooled access tier has strongly lower availability but still have high durability, retrieval latency, and throughput characteristics similar to the hot data. Data in the access tier is stored offline. The archive tier offers the lowest data cost but also the highest access cost and latency. The hot and the cold tier support all durability options. The archive tier support only LRS, GRS, and ARI GRS. Data storage limits are set at the account level and not per access tier. You can choose to use all of limit in one tier or across all three tiers. Azure Blob Storage Lifecycle Management offers a rich rule-based policy or for general purpose V2 and blob storage account. Use the policy to transaction your data to the appropriate access tier or expire at the end of the data lifecycle. The lifecycle management policy lets you to transition blob to color storage tier, hot to cooled, hot to archive, or cooled to archive to optimize the performance and the cost. Also delete a blob at the end of their life cycles. Define a rule to be run once per day at the storage account level. Apply a rule to the containers or a sub of the blob, using a prefix as a filters. Consider a scenario where a data gets frequent access during the early stages of the life cycles, but only occasionally after 2 weeks beyond the first month and the dataset is rarely accessed. The scenario hot storage is the best during the early stage. Cold storage is the most appropriate for occasional access. Archive store is the best tier option offer the data age over a month by adjusting storage tier in respect of the age of the data. You can design the least expensive data option for your needs. To achieve this transaction lifecycle management, rules are available to move outgoing data to core tier.